Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix your controller not working or not being detected in Ashen Steel on PC. Let's get started. Solution 1. Open Steam. Go to your library. Right-click Ashen Steel. Click Properties. On the left, click the Controller tab. Find Override for Ashen Steel and choose Enable Steam Input. Now launch the game and test your controller. If it still doesn't work, go back to the Override menu and select Disable Steam Input, then test again. Solution 2. Open Steam. Click Steam, top left, select Settings. Go to Controller. Look for External Gamepad Settings. Now check only the controller type you actually use, Xbox controller. Enable Steam Input for Xbox controllers. If it doesn't work, try disabling it. PlayStation controller. Find PlayStation controller support. Select Not Enabled. If it still doesn't work, try Enable in games without support. Switch or generic controllers. Do the same. Enable the matching option or toggle between on-off. You can also install the Xbox Extended Feature Support driver if needed. Solution 3. Open the Start menu. Type Device Manager and open it. Expand Human Interface Devices. Locate your controller in the list. Right-click it and select Disable Device. Right-click again, select Enable Device. Now try launching the game again. Solution 4. In Device Manager, right-click your controller. Select Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for drivers. Click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select your controller driver. Click Next. Wait for the installation to finish. Then launch the game and test your gamepad, and that's it! Your controller should now be working properly in Ashen Steel. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you need more help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.